What's up, Tech Gang? Stefan here from TechRight. Today I'm going to be showing you how to move your notch on your Samsung Galaxy A20. Let's go ahead and start this video. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so this is going to be a really cool secret that a lot of people do not know about, so let's go ahead and start this off. But before I start this off, definitely go ahead and follow me on Instagram and Twitter for some exclusive giveaways and content. You guys definitely need to go ahead and follow me on that. Link in the description down below. First and foremost, we're going to want to go ahead and slide the drop down bar menu down, click on settings. We're going to then scroll all the way down and click on about phone. Now once here, we're going to go ahead and click on software information. Once we clicked on software information, we're going to see a thing called build number right here. We're going to go and click that multiple times until it asks us for our password. We're going to put in that pin that we have on our phone though. Once we put in our pin, we're going to click next. Now once developer mode has been turned on, we're going to have a new thing called developer options straight under about phone, what we just clicked on. So click on developer options. Now once in developer options, we actually have a search bar up there, and you're going to want to go ahead and type in Knotch. Just type in NOTCH. Now what will pop up in developer options is simulate display with cutout. So we're going to want to go ahead and click that, and it's going to show us that it's down here. We're going to go ahead and click on that. And we do have a few options, guys. Now this all comes down to preference. Whatever you think looks best, you guys can go ahead and put on here. If you guys don't want this on here, obviously you can click none, but these are the 3 or 4 options technically that we have. Now the first one is none. All we have is that little teardrop notch that came stock with the phone. Now this is where it gets crazy. We can then put on a corner notch. Go ahead and click that on, and as you guys see, when we go to the home menu, we have a corner notch on the right side. Now that kind of looks fugly, so I definitely wouldn't recommend that. If you guys do like that for some reason, maybe you want to trip some people out or whatever, you guys can keep that on there, but I definitely recommend putting something else. Now the next thing we have on here is the double cutout, so let's go and click on double cutout. What this does is it puts a notch at the bottom of the screen, but it looks like this one is glitched out. But as you guys can see, the top one, we do have a square notch now instead of a teardrop notch, which is pretty weird. But that bottom notch seems to not be working for some reason. It may or may not work on your device. It just doesn't work on mine. But this one is probably my favorite, probably the most different out of all of them. And this is going to be the tall cutout. So this is the last one I'm going to be showing. Click on that. As you guys see, if we go to the home menu, we have a tall notch. This is super weird. Let me give you a better look at this, but basically it simulates a notch, so it makes the screen black up here and makes a square cutout. So if you guys want your phone to look more like an iPhone or more different, you guys can go ahead and put that on there. This one is definitely my favorite. It doesn't do anything to the bottom, as you guys can see, and I think it just looks new. I think it just looks different in general, and I definitely like it. Tell me what cutout is your favorite in the comments down below. Now if you guys did enjoy this video, please leave a like down below, as well as subscribing if you're not a part of the Tech Gang already. Also hit the notification bell if you guys want to be notified every time I do upload a new video. This has been Stefan from TechRight. Peace out, Tech Gang.